Nothing is going to be enough if you don't slow down, if everybody don't sort of squeeze down their social bubble.
Health Canada's latest models and projections for COVID-19 are out, and they don't look good. Top public health officials warn that unless all Canadians take steps to limit contact, we could be looking at COVID case numbers that eclipse what we saw in the spring. Dr. Theresa Tam says that while Canada's testing capacity remains good, round-the-clock testing and contact tracing just isn't practical.
Public health can't just keep testing and keep doing tons and tons of constant contact tracing non-stop. You've got to have both sides of the coin coming together, doing its part for it to be manageable.
Numbers around the country have been rising sharply since the start of September, leading to long waits in some parts of the country. In Ontario, 478 new cases. In Quebec, 489. BC had 128 new cases on Sunday alone, and Alberta saw 358 cases over the weekend. Health Canada's new models show that without serious action, rather than being on a flat curve, Canadians could be looking at the base of a deadly mountain.
We have to act now in those big jurisdictions, those urban areas right now, but throughout Canada, people should retrain themselves in what they've learned and just reinforce those measures.
We have to get better at saying no more than yes to the invitations that we're receiving to gather for barbecues in the backyard or parties to celebrate occasions, gatherings and that are bringing people together.
This stark warning comes a day before a new throne speech. The Trudeau government is expected to announce new initiatives to help people going off CERB, but with the rise in case numbers, Canadians could expect to hear more stern public health warnings on Wednesday.
People are very tired. They're tired of hearing about the virus. They're tired of the distancing, not distancing, masks, not masks. There's a certain discomfort in society right now that has to be addressed.
The throne speech happens Wednesday afternoon, but at least two opposition leaders won't be there. Aaron O'Toole and Yves-François Blanchet have both tested positive for COVID and are in self-isolation. And in a rare move, the Prime Minister will address the nation after the throne speech at 6:30 Ottawa time. City News will carry it live. In Ottawa, Xiaoli Li, City News.